Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my eating show. It's going to be delicious. We have some delicious steak and shake fries here. Oh, look at those shoestring fries. They're crispy and crunchy. I gotta have one real quick. I love fries. Okay guys, I got some really good snacks for you today. Look at this. Delicious burger. Steak and shake. One of my favorite places to get nice, delicious. Oh, look at all that grease. Greasy is all hell. Excuse my French, not for kids. Oh, this must be the garlic burger. Garlicky, buttery, bacon. Let's take a bite. That was so good. That is so buttery. I got my paper towels here. But of course, it's not gonna come off correctly. Making more of a mess with my paper towels than I am my face. Oh, but that was good. That first bite was really good. Delicious, garlicky, buttery. Oh, look at this other burger I have. This is good, guys. This is the double bacon cheeseburger, and I had just mayonnaise on it. Let's see, there's lettuce and tomato. I'm gonna take this lettuce off because I'm like, fuck, who needs lettuce, right? Oh, excuse my language again. Let me take a bite of this one too. This one's good. Look, huh? That's good. Oh, that tastes really good. I also have some like really cool snacks to show you. These are like sour, like sour belts, yeah. Kind of like the rainbow belts they have. And then the other day when I was at the store, I found this in like this discount section. And I was like, wow, that's kind of weird. It's from Japan, I think. I believe they're like vanilla cookies, but they feel kind of soft still in there. So I'm excited to open those and try those. I love cookies. Just to see what it... Let's open up some Takis here. We got some Takis too. I like the Fuego. Get a little snack tray going. I would have set this all up already, but I was like such in a hurry when I got home. I didn't have time to like get everything together before I set up for the show. Oh, this is... Look, they're all like individually packaged little mini... I think it's a cookie. I don't even honestly know what it is because I can't read the label. But it looks like there's a cookie pictured here down at the bottom. Right there. You see it? So I'm guessing it's that. What it could be something else. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get a few of them out. Put it on our snack tray. Also, I have this delicious orange frosty drink. Oh, it's so good. Let's open it up and take a sip. I bet it's just... Let's open it. You can... It's... I don't have a bottle opener, so... Oh, can you see that? It's like cold and frosting out the top. Did you hear that nice psst sound? Oh, cold. Oh, I love a good cold beverage to go with my food. I'm a big soda drinker, so I'm sorry if that's unhealthy for you guys, but come on, let's be real. I'm doing a steak and shake mukbang with Takis, so let's say this is not healthy, so I don't need anything in the comment section saying you should eat healthier. I'm grown. I know. Guess who doesn't care? This guy. I know I should eat healthier. I know it'll make me live longer. But, I mean, to be blatantly honest, this work's kind of crazy. And I really don't want to be here till I'm like 80. I'm not saying I want to die right now. I sure the heck don't want to be like on life support. Watching the world melt at 85. I mean, I can literally see the look on people's faces that are older than me that are like, I fucking hate people. Oops, excuse my language. But I can tell some old people just really don't care for young people. Oh, let's get this lettuce out of there. We don't need that. Mmm. Mmm. Got Teddy behind me. Mmm. 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 Yeah. Mmm. You see all that onion, bacon, and cheese. I hope you guys are eating something with me because this is delicious. I'm sorry if I'm making you hungry. Mmm. I get a little musty with cheeseburgers. Good thing I have a thing of paper towels nearby. You know, I know a lot of people like to watch mukbangs and not talk. Just hear people chewing. But I'm somebody who's like, can't not talk. Like, I cannot not talk. Like, I would probably make everybody mad in the not talking ones because eventually I would talk. I would be doing a lot of editing that I don't even know how to do yet. This is my first mukbang. So, welcome. I hope everybody enjoys it. I'm having fun. I have a lot of mukbangs set up to do soon. I have planned to do some spicy ramen ones because I'm really interested in doing those. Because one of my favorite mukbangers is Nikocado Avocado. Here's our snack tray, guys. Look at this deliciousness. We've got the weird cookies, I believe that are cookie. I'm not even sure if these are cookies. We got the belts. We got the Fuego Takis. We got the cheddar explosion chili lime Takis. Let's try one of those real quick. Mmm. Yeah. Oh, that's cheesy. Yeah, I got a bag of Takis, the Fuego Takis the other day. And it looked like there was several of the Takis that didn't get rolled up in the process. So they were like Takis chips. And I'm telling you guys, Takis needs to make chips too. Because like just the rolled chips are great. But like even chips are greater. Even more better, I'm telling you. I'm going to set this here. This is just so good, guys. Let's open up one of these cookies and see what it looks like. That one had extra Taki dust on it. Sorry for all the finger licking. If that bothers you, I'm sorry. I have a tendency to do that. I grew up in one of those homes where people don't have manners. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. What in the world is this? Excuse me. No stress. What the fuck does no stress mean? It says no stress on it. Well, this is what it came out of the package looking like. It's kind of squishy. Let's taste it. What the heck? What if I'm not supposed to eat this? Well, I mean, it wouldn't be in the food section if it wasn't food, right? That is weird. I'm taking... Sorry. That was a bad taste. There was like a... almost like a sour milk taste. Okay, these aren't good. But at least we know now. I'm going to give you a very brief description of what I'm tasting, what I'm feeling in my mouth. Because I'm a very textural person. I have a gag reflex that's like no other. But, okay, so... I'm sorry, but that's gross. Okay, I'm not going to spit it out. I'm going to do this, guys. Oh, this is going to ruin my appetite for this mukbang. Okay, yeah, pretty much tastes like spoiled milk almost. And the texture is like chewing a marshmallow that's been sitting out all night for maybe a week. Because it's chewy, but it's like doughy, and then there's like this milk taste that's like powdered milk taste. I don't know if any of you have ever had powdered milk, but yeah. Done with those. I guess I can donate those to the kids because those weren't any good. Let's get that really gross taste out of our mouth with some delicious cheeseburger. I love food, guys. Teddy does too. Food is like always been my go-to whenever I'm upset or sad. When you come from places like where I've come from, you can be upset and sad a lot. But I try to keep a positive attitude every day. Because if I didn't, I'd probably lose my shit. Wow, my hair is getting so long. It's weird. My hair used to be really short, like a faux hawk. But I've been growing it out for like a year. Well, over a year, almost 2 years now. It's been like a year and a half now. So it's getting nice and long. This is getting messy. Probably not gonna be able to eat all this today because I think that cookie kind of spoiled my appetite a little bit. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Something got stuck in my throat there. Let's try this garlicky burger. Again, it was like... I don't know what that sauce is, but... Ooh, it's kind of like a garlic butter sauce. There's like so much garlic. Look at the bun. I don't know if that'll focus, but I think you can see how greasy it is. And deliciousness. Man, well, that's a burger, right? A lot of people make fun of me because I can't see my eyebrows. I'm just really blonde. So I just have this really animated forehead, you know? But I have been practicing with makeup. If you're wondering, I am blind in my left eye. That's why it's kind of off-center. Because when I was 4 years old, I accidentally stabbed myself in the eye. Long story. And that's what made it blind. And that's also what made it cockeyed looking. Oh, sorry. Spitting out some burger on you. And it's black and this one's blue, so that's why I have two different colored eyes. So if you're ever trying to figure out where I'm looking or who I'm looking at, look at this eye, because this is the one I'm looking at you with. Ooh, that's soda. Making me boip. Let's try one of these. Delicious sour belts. This is like the off-brand, so they look really good though. Super bright in color. All right, let's try this. It kind of tastes like bubblegum. There's like not really any sour to it. You know, because it's called sour juice. Like, it's like a little tiny bit of sour, but it's mostly sugar. Mostly sweet. It's more like a bubblegum taffy covered in sugar. That's the best way I can describe it. It's still good though. I wouldn't say it's my favorite gummy. I got a lot of favorite gummies. But it's good. Not going to the kids. These things though. Oh my god. I don't even know what the heck that is. Like, well, you always gotta try it. You know, I'm adventurous. I like to try things I've never tried before. We had two delicious snacks here. One of them turned out fine. Both of our Takis taste great. The burgers both taste great. The fries, delicious. Soda, oh, it's halfway gone. You know it's good. I guess I was more thirsty than hungry today. I'm going to save the rest of this burger for later because this burger's really filling me up here. I ate a little bit ago, so it wasn't the best time to start a first mukbang, but I was like, you know what? I'm tired of watching Nikocado Avocado have so much fun. Me, not get to share in his awesome basking glory. And if I start uploading videos, maybe he'll comment on one of mine like I comment on his. I love Nikocado Avocado, but I don't like a lot of the people that comment on his page. I was nervous doing this because, you know, haters. But no matter what I do, haters are going to hate, you know. I might as well just be me. And do what I like doing. And maybe this will work out. Maybe this will be something fun for me to do, like a hobby. And maybe I'll get some people to talk to me. Because I live alone. I'm pretty lonely. I have been single for like 5 years. And I've lived alone for 5 years. And I don't really get out much. I mean, I go to work every day, but that's pretty much all I do is go to work and come home and watch Nikocado Avocado or some other YouTuber, you know. So I figured I might as well make my own YouTube videos if that's all I'm going to do is come home and watch YouTube videos. I don't know. Maybe it'll get me some new friends. We'll see how it goes. I don't even know what time it is right now today. 4:16. It's almost 4:20, guys. So, I mean, that doesn't really mean anything, but I should probably get off here soon. Got a lot of cleaning to do today, but it was fun. I'm going to save the rest of this burger for later. Maybe I'll do another mukbang and finish my snacks later and like kind of show you guys later me eating the rest of it. Yeah, but I really just kind of wanted to get on here for my first time and say hi and meet the YouTube world and maybe get some viewers, maybe get some people talking back to me. What do you guys like? I mean, what do you want to see me eat? You know, just drop a comment down below. Let me know if there's something that you'd like to watch me eat. If there's like something in particular that you want to see me eat. I know my next mukbang is probably going to be noodles because I fucking love noodles. So, oh, sorry, that was gross. Well, I know. Have a good day, YouTube. We'll see you next time. Sorry, I dropped my phone. Bye.